Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today is the GT Neo5, the new released model, cost-effective series from Realme, and this time they bring us the GT Neo5. And this is one of the best, I think, cost-effective products in the market, and one of the biggest features about this model is the high specification, and especially for the charging speed. And today we have the purple color, and we have the 16GB RAM plus 256GB RAM, and the purple color. And this time for the battery and for the, as I mentioned, for the battery and charging speed, they provide two versions. One is the 5000 big battery with the 150 watt charge speed, and the highest one is 240 watt charging efficiency with 4600 big battery. And this time they provide three colors: white, black, and purple. And this time we will unboxing the purple color, and I really like this color. It's very, very nice. And next I'm going to unbox it and have a very quick talk on this model. As we can see from the box, the positioning of this model, of this series, focused on for fashion, and for the fashion because the design in the front of the book, you can find there's a white line. It's really, really shining and looks very fashion. And from the side, the Chinese, this means it's a very popular fashion gaming flagship model for the youngers, for the youth, boys, girls. And next I'm going to unbox it and let's check what the smartphone looks like. So I open it, and first let's check this box, this package. And okay, in this package we find a case. So this is not a transparent plastic case, but it's a gray color and good quality case. It's better than the totally transparent case. Here we get the logo of Realme, and when I touch it, it feels very comfortable, and the material is kind of silicone, yeah. And also here is the SIM card ejector, SIM card pin, and here is the quick guide, and here is the safety information about this model. So this is all the stuff inside this in the first box. We put it inside, and then phone is in front of us. And before we go to the smartphone, let's check the accessories under the smartphone here. Okay, it's provide a white cable. Is a Type-C to Type-C cable. Yeah, the Type-C to Type-C cable. Yeah, so this is a cable. And here, this is the charger. It's a Type-C charger. And here, okay, it's 100. So it supports 160 watt still per work. Actually, the maximum charging watt this phone support is 150. And this is the basic version we got. So this is all the stuff inside the books. Next I'm going to let's check the smartphone. Okay, so now let's take the smartphone front of the screen protector, and now the Realme GT Neo5 is in front of us, and it's the purple color edition. It looks so nice. And first we can talk about the design. This is the back side of the smartphone. It looks so fashion, and here is the standard polishing material. It's used to use the standard of glass materials. Here the two shiny lines here. The Realme and their slogan, "Dare to Live." So in different angles we can get shine and reflect, and I really like it. And this is the covered back cover, and this extend to use the purple color extend to the framework, so we can find that the framework is also use the purple color. And when I touch it, I can feel that this framework is not like the mental framework. I think it's used a special material. It's kind of plastic, but it's a special material. Plastic. It looks so nice, and the covered back cover can really provide very good hold feelings. So this is good. And as for the camera zone, there's a big zone here, big black zone here. Yes, it's a rectangle shape, and the left you find the two circles, big circles, and the up circles. Circle in the up circles is our main camera, and the down circles, second circles, is have two sensors, camera sensors inside this, and here is the dual color LED flashlight, and we can find the words. It's a metric AI camera. Yeah, so this for left. The right part is have a transparent design, and we can find the slogan of the model is "Dare to Live," and is a 15 megapixel main camera IMX890, and it supports OIS. So this is also the camera information, but this part is like a kind of cheap transparent design. So this is very new and very cool design for this. And then we go to the front, we cut the screen. You can find that it's have a full screen design, and the punch hole is very small, and it looks so nice. You know, we cut the screen. Yeah, so this time for screen is provide a 6.474 inch OLED TMR T7 screen, and also the display resolution rate is to reach to 2772 by 1240, and it's a OLED screen. So this is also nice for screen. We can switch to change the wallpapers. And for this screen, it also supported the maximum brightness, peak brightness 500 nit, and also it can support the 144 refresh rate, and it support 2160 Hz high frequency pulse width modulation adjustment. I think we can get the information through the settings here. Yes, here about device. Yes, here we get more specification about this device. Realme UI 4.0, and 5000 big batteries, screen, RAM and ROM information, and also they use the Snapdragon 8 Plus Generation 1 mobile platform. And compared to the recently released OnePlus S2, and this one is not the full blood chips. It's a bit lower than the full blood Snapdragon 8 that used in the OnePlus S2, but it's still good. Yeah. And also for the for the RAM and ROM, this time it support the 16 plus 256. They use the LPDDR5X and UFS 3.1 RAM and ROM. So this is also nice. Yeah. Here is the information about the camera. Front 60 megapixel real, 50 megapixel real camera, plus 50 plus 8 megapixel plus 2 megapixel real camera, triple real camera system. And the main one is the 50 megapixel. It support OIS and use the IMX890 is 1.56 inch big sensor and 8 megapixel wide angle, 120 degrees and 200 macro lens. So this is about the camera, and also as for the battery, and we can find that this one these have a very thick design, but it's have a big battery. It's have a 5,000 big batteries, so it's only 199 grams, and it's not so heavy, but it's have big batteries. And also from the test, we find that it only takes 60 minutes to get it from fully charged 0% to fully charged. And this is the 150 watt edition, but if we have the 240 watt edition, it only takes 80 minutes you get a fully charged. So this is amazing speed you can get when you're charging this device. Pretty it's so fast and pretty nice. And about the screen, I forget to mention one thing, that so the processor is a bit lower than the OnePlus S2, but the screen is much better than the S2. So this is the advantage about this device, the Realme GT Neo5 compared to the OnePlus S2. And also for the screen part, we can take some samples here. Yes, some samples here. Agree. Yes. So now it's a wide angle. Now it's a normal mode. We can have a normal mode test. Wide angle. Support 20 times zoom performance. So this is the 50 megapixel main camera mode. Switch to the front. Here. This front 60 megapixel. Sorry, we need to go to photos. Yeah, you get more here. You can try to promote panel, movie, dual view, videos, time lapse, AI, skin analysis, shift, microscope. Wow. So this is pretty nice. $20 times, 40 times. Yes, so it really works, and we can see the very detailed about the surface, about my case of my ears, my T-WS. So this is pretty nice. I will put the some pictures at the end of the video, and so this is pretty cool. Yeah, so this is very quick and very simple unboxing video about this model, the Realme GT Neo5. And thanks for your watching, and hope you like these videos. Stay tuned and waiting for more cool gadgets from here. Thanks, bye bye.